Alright guys, so today we're preparing some nice salmon. So we're gonna go ahead and season our salmon now with a little bit of salt. We're gonna add some garlic and ginger paste with onion that we blend up here. It's gonna add a nice flavor to the salmon. You can also rub some from the other side where the skin is. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of adobo all-purpose season. This is gonna also add a good flavor to it. And to close this off, we're gonna add a bit of lime juice. Some parsley leaves. Makes it look really good. And the oil is pretty much hot already. So we're gonna go ahead and add our salmon. So we're gonna fry this up a bit until it turns brown. And medium heat. And our salmon today is gonna go with some nice broccoli. We're gonna prepare the broccoli after this. Alright guys, so the skin side is pretty much fried up a bit already, so we're gonna go and flip this over as well. We're gonna fry this for a bit more to make sure it's cooked properly. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and prepare a nice broccoli today. So we have our broccoli ready. So first of all, we're gonna add 1 spoon of garlic and onion. A bit of oyster sauce. Nice panda oyster sauce, Chinese oyster sauce. This is gonna add a good flavor to it. Some soy sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up a little. While that is frying up a little, we're gonna check out on our nice salmon over here. Wow, brown and nice. Looking all yummy. We're gonna give this like a minute more and we're gonna take that off because it's pretty much complete. So we're gonna go ahead and add our broccoli. This is one broccoli. I'm gonna turn this up, mix the sauce up. Add a little bit of water to steam it. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this and let it steam for a bit. Back to our salmon. So our salmon is pretty much completed here now, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the stove off. We're gonna flip it a little side. A little bit more. Looking all yummy. That's it for our salmon, guys. All yummy. We're gonna go ahead and have this with our nice broccoli while our broccoli is preparing there. Alright guys, so here you have our nice salmon with broccoli, and this is gonna have for a nice dinner now with a nice glass of orange juice. So thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night. Bye bye.